honorable leaders and ministers, the Secretary General of the Pacific Islands Forum, representatives of the Council of Regional Organizations of the Pacific, ladies and gentlemen, Sambula Vinaka. It is my greatest pleasure to welcome you to the 2022 PACP Leaders Meeting. It is always a valuable opportunity when we convene as leaders to consider and discuss issues of mutual concern and priority to us. As the Pacific ACP states, we share mutual interests and opportunities in our engagements with the European Union and with fellow African and Caribbean states. Broader than this platform is an opportunity to work together to discuss and develop solutions to overcome common development challenges towards a sustainable future for our people. Excellencies, as we meet this week, we celebrate 50 years of Pacific regionalism. We are also setting the course for the future of our Pacific regionalism through the 2050 strategy for the Blue Pacific continent. The 2050 strategy sets the vision and direction for our Blue Pacific region and provides a framework for all our development partners, including the EU, to align their regional cooperation. Indeed, as geopolitical and partner interest in our region grows, we must be steadfast and firm in calling for a genuine partnership for regional development cooperation on our Pacific terms and in support of our regional institutions. Excellencies, we last met as Pacific ACP leaders in person in Tuvalu in August 2019, amid the post-Cotonou negotiations. Today, we will consider the implementation arrangement to the new partnership agreement between the organizations of the African, Caribbean, and Pacific states and the European Union, expected to be named the Samoa Agreement. I would like to acknowledge our ministers, our senior officials, and our ambassadors in Brussels who have worked tirelessly to finalize the Samoa Agreement that is reflective of our Pacific priorities, in particular, climate change and resilience, and oceans, seas, and fisheries. In our discussions today, we need to consider how we move forward collectively to implement this new agreement. We need to ensure effective and efficient implementation arrangements that will respond to our regional vision and maximize the benefits of our country and people. The new agreement also provides us with the opportunity to strengthen our collaboration with the African and Caribbean regions in meeting our development goals. Excellencies, just as crucial today, we must consider the future role of our PACP group. I invite you to reflect on the evolving regional and international context, the revised Georgetown Agreement, the Samoa Agreement, and the 2050 strategy for the Blue Pacific continent, to consider the future purpose, scope, and mandate of the PACP group to serve our collective interests. Excellencies, I wish you well in your deliberations today. Thank you, and Vinaka Voreqe. Thanks.